AI engines don't read your page top to bottom. They grab the first sentence after a heading and move on. So if your heading asks a question and your first sentence is throat clearing, the engine takes someone else's answer. Answer density score measures exactly that across your whole site as one number. Here's what it grades. For every page with a question-shaped heading, it checks one thing. Does the very next sentence answer the question directly? Lead with the answer and the page scores high. Bury it under setup and the score drops. It only grades informational pages with real question headings, so the number means something. Pages without question headings are counted separately, not penalized. When a page scores low, it tells you why, not just that. It reads the first 50 words under each question heading and labels the problem. A setup sentence that leads up to the answer instead of being the answer. A hedge that refuses to commit, a filler intro, or no direct answer at all. Each label comes with the specific fix, so you're never guessing what improve this means. The dashboard ranks your weakest pages, so you work the list top down. Each card shows the page, the heading, the exact opener it's using, and the one change that flips it. No audit to read. Just the next page to fix and the reason it's losing. If you want the sentence written for you, AI Rewrite drafts an answer, first opener, from your own page, grounded in what's already there, and it grades its own draft before you accept it. Will this score as direct, or is it still buried? If it's not good enough, it tells you to regenerate instead of letting you ship a weak fix. One credit, and you stay in control. Old SEO tools, grade keywords, and meta length. None of that tells an AI engine your answer is easy to lift. Answer density does. It's the difference between a page that ranks and a page that gets quoted. Fix the openers on your top pages, and you give every engine a clean sentence to cite. Answer density score ships free in AEO God mode. Search AEO God mode under Add New Plugins, install it, and your score, your weak pages, and the exact fixes are waiting in the dashboard. No card, no trial. Get your site ready for AI search at aeogodmode.io.